Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs, cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Greetings and blessings, my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, you know. You don't know, so the attacking boss, they are the one and only NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And I mean say attack. So my viewers and my subscribers, but still other people are send me this thing now. And I say NEWLINK, you know, say top boy actor, Zine Michael Ward, a rapist. You see me? A lot of people must DM me with that something there, you know. And Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Because honestly, my people, I see this thing, you know what I mean, couple hours well, before me even talk about, you know. And I decide to say, you know what, NEWLINK, me even not trouble them thing, you know. But there's a two of me see people send me this thing, you know, see top boy, and then me see somebody send me a clip with Cartel and him and the next person. When Cartel do him look a song, say, Gaza, no, you know what I mean? People, it a tape, Gaza, and he was there and him said the little thing, no rape, you know what I mean?
It a tape?
Gaza no rape.
Gaza no rape. May I give him a new one now? It's a record?
Yeah.
Glory to the Lord.
Amen.
I'm representing for Michael Ward.
Alright.
He's famous in London and he's famous in Yard.
That's it.
He don't really like singers, he like them broad.
Wow.
That is it! What the son dummy knows?
I'm out!
Michael Ward.
Let them know.
Remember I ain't got what you come from Yard.
And then now, cause that just happened the other day when Cartel was in UK and the wireless thing. You see my people backstage and thing. And then now them are gonna send me this now. And I say, you know what I mean? Look here. Me can't brand this virgin and say man a rapist. Me know the thing set. And for anybody who feel like said this thing happened this year, this thing happened from basically in a 2023, this thing are going with him. You understand it was not the first time. But now them look over the case and them say whatever, charge him. You see me? So me can't brand this youth and call him the rapist. No, me can't do that, my people. You see me? Me see a lot of celebrities when them reach stage in a life and success hit them, and because certain things now reach out to them with certain people and certain people could get what them want, me see what them do. Them turn upon them and say one bag of thing, and you know this thing set up my people, especially if you want a we color. No joke about it. See me? Me not pick up for the man and me not swear for the man because me not know the man in person and me never do it nothing go on. But I'm only saying my people, me not go come brandish the man and call the man the rapist. You see me? Me not do that. Me rather speak when me want to speak from my mind and say, yo, me can tell you this about myself personally, you know, my people. Zine, the amount of extra me been through and passed through, and me can tell you if me bust certain way and turn a top celebrity, me I tell you say, couple of them are go swarm down for me and say, oh, me do them this in the past and this and that. And then they go to you say me get locked up. Me I tell you the truth, the reality. Me I tell you that, my people. And at that reach a lot of celebrities. We are talking about sports personality, we are talking about artists, movie star. He reach couple of them well. And we see them thing we go on, my people. Some old time thing we go on back then with some ex and them cry out and say this assault, that one heap of things, the people. No joke about it. So I ain't gonna brand this virgin. Me not gonna do it. So let me just read this article pertaining to the case so no understand what me I try forward from. You know what I mean? Why me say me not go brand him. Zine, so me not just jump and say NEWLINK, yeah, pick up just like what people that think normally. So it says, London, United Kingdom. Spanish town-born top boy actor Michael Ward has been charged with rape and sexual assault according to international media. A BBC report indicated that the alleged offences relate to one woman and date back to January 2023. Catherine Bacchus, Deputy Chief Crown Prosecutor for the Crown Prosecution Service, London South, said, having carefully reviewed a file of evidence, the Crown Prosecution Service has authorized the Metropolitan Police to charge Michael Ward, 27, with 2 counts of rape, 2 counts of assault by penetration, and 1 count of sexual assault against a woman in January 2023. The cop reminded that no information should be shared online to prejudice the case, the report said. Ward, 27, rose to fame in the United Kingdom, UK, on Netflix hit Top Boy released in 2019. That same year, he appeared in Blue Story, which received critical acclaim, and he was awarded a BAFTA for 2020 Rising Star at the UK-based Film Awards. He was also nominated for Best Supporting Actor at the BAFTA TV Awards for Small Acts in 2021. Ward's court date is set for August 28 at the Thames Magistrate Court in London, 6 days after the premiere of his latest movie, Eddington. Well, my viewers and subscribers, and this is how life set. You see me? 6 days, you know. You get me? After I premiere a movie, this is when him court date set. I saw them thing I set, my people. You know what I mean? He's a Jamaican born, hail from Spanish Town, St. Catherine, Jamaica, my people. And not because he's a Jamaican, because honestly, people, me not support no rapists. Me don't. Straight attack for that. Straight attack. But I'm just saying, my people, a lot of time we see them things happen. And when them do the checks, and you hear some man I'll get locked up and do time, and then you hear them review case and them find out say I lied and did that help on them, my people. You see me? As me say, me not swear for nobody body, but I will me see happen a lot of time. So until them can find him and them show the proof and show the evidence fully and them saying guilty then, but for now, my people, I'm just saying, yo, what them I do this, Virginia? You don't know. We have to see the fullest for me, Branham. You get what me I say? And that's my take to this whole story, my people. So for all who are DM me and expects a NEWLINK to go roll in and NEWLINK to go drop something and say, yo, this virgin do this virgin that and that. No. I ain't gonna do that, man. You see me? I ain't gonna do that. And not because I wanna we could have been anybody at all, my people. And I said this before. I can tell you this, my people. If it reach certain level, and me for reach out, you see me, and depend some high, you know what I mean, international acclaim, recognized worldwide, my people, you go see how much of them cry out. You see me? Me never grew up nobody from a barn, but I've been with woman before and we mash up. And when we mash up, they might try rolling back themselves and then try a whole heap of things. And when me look into it, me say, what if me did all stay up on a certain level? Just imagine. You see me? Me go tell my people, life, you know, me now go say a lot of women don't get abused and a lot of wicked and cruel man out there we do things to them because we have a lot of cruel and evilous man who have grape a lot of females and a straight attack for them junk there. Straight attack. You see me? But what I'm saying, my viewers and subscribers, is that a lot of time when we say young people, black men especially, you know what I mean, on certain level of life and going up that ladder, it always be some lamp pile for try bring them down the people. You see me? As me say, I'm not supporting no rapists. I'm just gonna get that in on the head. And for the victim in this case, yeah, you know what I mean? If it do go and it do happen, you know what I mean, to her, when do something to her and do grape her, well, whatever necessary charges him for get and how them for deal with him, as them for deal with him and give him the harshest punishment. You see me? That them have over there for towards a rapist. No joke. But until now, my people, the attacking boss will say, and I'm not going to say it no more, I cannot brand this man. And I cannot attack him and say he's this. So anyone who expect, as when I send me this and I say that NEWLINK, whatever, that's my take to the whole thing. You see me? My people, big up on yourself. I thank you for the love. I thank you for the support. I thank you for the share. I thank you for the likes and everything. I appreciate my viewers and subscribers. You see me? On a daily basis, I say uno with me right through. I see the fans them when never see me long time. I know it's a lot of uno wonder. So when NEWLINK there, but NEWLINK is here. You see me? I say I do some time in a life when things kind of set away and you kind of reach certain stages, and then, you know what I mean, you have to get back yourself together and get back on the level there and just start focus again. Because in life, people, sometimes some people fall around away that things are your virgin or your friend them, and honestly, our enemy them, or the devil send them around you. You see me? I just say distract you and shake up your thing, and then we fall around you and act like say yo. But people, careful and trust nobody. Me telling that not trust no one. You see me? God is the greatest. Not trust nobody. God is the greatest. But people, please remember to do like, do share, do comment, and do subscribe to the channel. Follow me on all social media platforms, Instagram, Facebook, X. You get what me ask my people? TikTok, Snapchat, NEWLINK Production Official. And NEWLINK Back to School 3 2025 September. Support the movement, my people. Jamaica, We did it, you know. We are support the people. Join in, link up, give us support. Peace out. Blessings. Big up.